Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are a group of four consisting of myself, Khuratul Nikmah, Alvina binti Damayanti, Faris Solahuddin, and Hilda Srigana Dwi Masti. Here we will discuss about Suggestopedia. The explanation is as follows. Suggestopedia is a language teaching method developed by the Bulgarian psychologist George Lozanov. See picture on the right. Like community language learning and the silent way method, Suggestopedia is an innovative method that promises great effective language learning results. Lozanov claimed that by using this method, one can teach language approximately 3 to 5 times as quickly as conventional method. The name of Suggestopedia is from the word suggestion and pedagogy. It is a set of learning recommendations derived from suggestology, which Lozanov described as a science concerned with systematic study of the non-rational and or non-conscious influences that human beings are consciously responding to. The method also draws from insight from yoga and Soviet psychology. From yoga, it draws the importance of relaxation of mind from maximum retention of material.
The 9 characteristics of Suggestopedia are the following. 1. It uses the power of suggestion to help students eliminate the feeling that they cannot succeed. 2. The result be a relaxed, comfortable environment with dim lights and soft music to facilitate learning. 3. Student imagination is used. They can assume new names and new identities and respond to the teacher accordingly using the target language. 4. Listen and explain grammar and vocabulary words, but not discuss at length or thoroughly. 5. Native language translation is used in order to get clear meaning of words in the target language. 6. Communication takes place in the conscious and subconscious of the learners. The former is about the linguistic message. It is where the student pay attention to a dialogues that are being read, while the latter is where the music is played as a background. Music suggests that learning is easy. 7. Teaching is done by integrating music, song, and drama. 8. The emphasis of teaching is more on content. Error made by students are tolerated at the beginning of the lesson, but in the later part, the correct forms are used by the teachers. 9. No formal tests are given, but the evaluation is done during the normal in-class performance.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Faris Solahuddin. Today, I'm going to explain about the implementation of Suggestopedia method, especially in English learning. The language implementation technique with Suggestopedia is very unique. For intensive classes, learners meet about 4 hours a day, 6 times a week, for a period of 1 month. Thus, one lesson package consists of 96 face-to-face hours. In order to maintain the class atmosphere in accordance with the desired conditions, the number of students is preferably no more than 12, with the same percentage. The Suggestopedia method has several steps in the learning process. The author follows the step as follows. First, introduction. This is the first phase in Suggestopedia. The teacher organized an unusual class. The students were seated on chairs arranged in a semicircle. Ornamental plants are placed in the corners of the classroom and then the soft music plays. The arrangement of space will change the students' perception that the study is hard to study is fun. The teacher also asked students to listen to the musical compositions of instruments. While listening to the music, students were asked to close their eyes and adjust their breathing to match to the beat of music. After the music finished, They are asked to imagine something that made them very happy before they open their eyes. The next step is concert session. In this session, the writer divides the papers containing the dialogue. On the left side of the dialogue is English, and on the other hand, dialogue is Indonesian as the translation. The author reads the text in front of the students, accompanied by classical music. For maximum effectiveness, the author reads the dialogue in English according to the rhythm of the music. In Suggestopedia, this is referred as an active concert. After an active concert session, the writer once again asks the students to close their eyes and just listen to the text read by the author accompanied by the music. The students then asked to just imagine what they read. Currently, the reading is done as a text is normally read. It's different from what you read as an active concert. The next step is elaboration session. In this session, the writer asks the student to act out the dialogues that have been read. This step will remind students of the important things they have learned. Then it is the final session. In the final session, students are asked to make their own dialogue which is related to the previous text.
Of the Suggestopedia method. This method can foster fun in students with the culture, not evaluation style, and with interesting teaching material, including the use classical music. Music play in the Suggestopedia method can balance the right and left hemispheres, the brain, and provide a sense of comfort in learning. Disadvantages of the Suggestopedia method. Omochio said that the weakness of this method lies in the pedagogically prepared input material is too inclusive and aspects of reading and listening comprehension are too limited. Meanwhile, Sarjono Darwitjo gives a realistic critique of the application of Suggestopedia. According to him, if this method is applied in Indonesia, there will be a conflict between the basic principles of Suggestopedia and the really faced by teachers in school. In Indonesia, the teacher must follow a curriculum system that applies 20